Hello students, I will now solve some previous year semester exam questions on derivatives bearing 2 marks. Now question number 1, find the derivative of square root of ax square plus bx plus c with respect to x where a, b, c are constants. Now the solution is, let y is equal to square root of ax square plus bx plus c. Now dy by dx is equal to d by dx into square root of ax square plus bx plus c. So this is equal to derivative of square root of ax square plus bx plus c with respect to ax square plus bx plus c. So into derivative of ax square plus bx plus c with respect to x dx. So this is equal to half ax square plus bx plus c to the power of minus half into 2ax plus b, as derivative of x to the power of n with respect to x is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1. So this is equal to 2ax plus b whole divided by 2 into square root of ax square plus bx plus c. This is the answer. Next question, question number 2, 2019 winter old. Find dy by dx of the following: x equal to a t square and y is equal to 2at. Now the solution is, dx by dt is equal to d derivative of at square with respect to t. So this is equal to 2at, and dy by dt is equal to derivative of 2at with respect to t. So this is equal to 2 into derivative of at with respect to t, as 2 is the constant. So this is equal to 2a. So that dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dt by dx is equal to 2a into 1 by 2at. So cancelling 2a, this is equal to 1 by t, and this is the answer. Question number 3, 2019 winter old. Find derivative of tan x with respect to cot x. Derivative of tan x with respect to cot x. And the solution is, let y is equal to tan x and z is equal to cot x. Then dy by dx is equal to derivative of tan x with respect to x is equal to sec square s. This is the formula. And dz by dx is equal to derivative of cot x with respect to x, which is equal to minus cosec square x. Now dy by dz is equal to dy by dx into dx by dz is equal to sec square x into 1 by minus cosec square x. So this is equal to minus sec square x whole divided by cosec square x is equal to minus 1 by cos square x whole divided by 1 by sin square x. So this is equal to minus 1 by cos square x into sin square x. So this is equal to minus tan square x. Then question number 4, 2018 winter new. Find the derivative of cos inverse x with respect to tan inverse x. Now the solution is, let y is equal to cos inverse x and z is equal to tan inverse x. Now dy by dx is equal to derivative of cos inverse x with respect to x dx, derivative of cos inverse x divided by dx is equal to minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. This is by the formula. And dz by dx is equal to derivative of tan inverse x with respect to x is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus x square. Now dy by dz is equal to dy by dx into dx by dz is equal to minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square into 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So which is equal to minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square. So this is equal to minus 1 plus x square whole divided by square root of 1 minus x square. So this is the required answer. Then question number 5 is find the derivative of log x with respect to root over x. Now we have to find derivative of log x whole divided by derivative of root over x. Let y is equal to log x and z is equal to root over x. Now differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to derivative of log x with respect to x is equal to 1 by x, and dz by dx is equal to derivative of root over x with respect to x. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into x to the power of minus half. This is equal to 1 by 2 into root over x. As derivative of x to the power of n is equal to derivative of x to the power of n with respect to x is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1. Now dy by dz is equal to derivative of log x divided by derivative of root over x is equal to dy by dx into dx by dz is equal to 1 by x into 1 by 2 into root over x is equal to 1 by x into 2 into root over x is equal to 1 by root over x into root over x into 2 into root over x, which is equal to 2 by root over x, cancelling root over x and root over x in numerator and denominator. Then question number 6, 2018 summer new, find the derivative of e to the power of log x with respect to x square. Let solution is let y is equal to e to the power of 2 log x, which is equal to e to the power of log x square is equal to x square, as e to the power of log x is equal to x. Then dy by dx is equal to derivative of x square with respect to x. So this is equal to 2x. Again let z is equal to 2x square. Then dz by dx is equal to derivative of 2x square with respect to x. So this is equal to 2 into derivative of x square divided by dx is equal to 2 into 2x, which is equal to 4x. So derivative of e to the power of 2 log x divided by derivative of 2x square is equal to dy by dz is equal to dy by dx into dx by dz is equal to 2x into 1 by 4x. So which is equal to 1 by 2. Next question is question number 7. Find the derivative of sin inverse x with respect to tan inverse x. And this question is of the year 2018 summer new. Now derivative of sin inverse x divided by derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by root over 1 minus x square whole divided by 1 by 1 divided by 1 plus x square. And this is the shortcut method. So this is equal to 1 by root over 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square. And this is the answer.